Assalamu alaikum guys. Today I'm very happy because I'm gonna teach you about the lesson which is how can you create your own camera. How can you use your webcam using HTML and CSS and JavaScript as well. And one thing more, that is how can you capture your image from the webcam as well. So it is very important. So guys, without wasting our time, let's get started. Open text editor first, and now save the file with extension .html, as I have saved this file on my local disk E with name webcam.html. And now start HTML document and give it title webcam usage. Okay, and start main tag with id attribute, which is camera, and close this tag because we are gonna work within the tag. Okay, and here I will create video with id attribute, and its value will be camera view. Okay, and here canvas is needed, and its id will be camera sensor. Okay, and sorry, one thing more is autoplay and plays in line, plays in line, and image tag with source 0, and alt will be new, and id will be camera output. And also we wish to trigger the image which is present in the screen, and for this operation we will have to create a button with id attribute, and its value will be camera trigger. Okay, and I want to display the output is snip here. Okay guys, before we jump to our JavaScript, we should let little bit styles on or this HTML document. Okay, for this I want to create this style tag, and here I want to choose body margin 0 and padding also 0, and width will be 100%, and height will also be 100%. Okay, and now for these all I wish to do here hash camera and hash camera sensor and hash camera view. I think I have error here. Okay, and hash camera output. Okay, done. And here I'll wish to choose object, sorry, first I'll use position with value fixed, and width will be 100%, and height will also be 100%, and object fit will be cover. And guys, for these three tags I have already chosen transform will be scale x -1, and filter will be flip. Okay, and for this button I have choose, sorry, this one not, camera trigger is good, and its width will be 200 pixel, and padding will be 15 pixel and 20 pixel, and font size 17 pixel, and border radius will be 20 pixel, background will be transparent, and box shadow will be this one, and position will be fixed, bottom 40 pixel, and left, let's see, 50% -100%. These all is been done, guys, and now I think I should jump to our scripts. Okay, and here I'll write for set constraints var constraints is equal to, it will be video, and this one will be facing mode will be user, and for audio capturing I'll choose false. And guys, for set over these tags I'll use here const is equal to, sorry, camera view is equal to document dot query selector as, what was its ID, camera view. Okay, and for the all I'll use this one, and camera sensor, okay, is equal to camera sensor. Okay, and for camera output choose camera output, and for trigger button we will use camera trigger, and here as well trigger. Okay, and it doesn't need it here. And guys, for our filter button is equal to, sorry, this one will be query selected. It's wrong, okay, which I forgot at all. Yes, here, and here as well as here. Okay, and here I'll choose hash, sorry, filter, and also these commas. And guys, for access device camera, I'll create a function here, camera start, and function here and start, and here will be navigator dot media devices dot get user media dot then function stream track is equal to stream dot get tracks and 0, and camera view dot source object is equal to stream. Okay guys, in this section we have used camera, and but let's suppose that if something went wrong, function error console dot error oops, something is broken, and error, and here as well. And guys, for start our this function, we will use window dot add event listener load camera start false. And guys, for canvas we will use here we will create a function actually, add canvas, okay, cons width is equal to video dot video width, and height is equal to video dot video And guys, let filter type is equal to this dot data set dot filter or none, sorry, 0, and console dot log this dot data set. And guys, I have made two errors, that is, it will be in the small caps and this one will be query selector all. Okay, and see that is everything okay. Sorry, this one is stream, yes. Okay guys, save this file and let's see what browser tells about this file. And this process is not been completed because as I told you that we will also be able to capture the image. Okay, now just I'm gonna see that these codings are working or not. Okay, for this, open the directory where you have saved your this document file. Okay, and simply just double click on this file. As you can see guys, I have executed this HTML file and its output is on the screen, and you can see guys that it's asking from me that this file wants to use your camera. Okay, if I'll block, means I'll never allow this file to use my camera, it will never show any camera. Okay, but if let's suppose that I click allow button and I allow this file to use my camera, then its output will appear in front of you like this. As you can see guys, that is showing the output using my own camera. Okay, and guys, open text editor to jump to our next step, which is to capture image. Okay, and guys, one thing more, that I have changed something on this button. Okay, which is here. You can copy these all as well. Okay, and we will say that camera trigger dot on click. Okay, sorry, it's wrong. We will use as function and start. Camera sensor dot width is equal to camera view dot video width. Okay, and camera sensor dot height is equal to camera view dot video height, and camera sensor dot get context 2D dot draw image camera view 0 and 0, and camera output dot source is equal to camera sensor dot to data URL camera output dot class list dot add taken, and also need these commas. Okay, and guys, now one thing is left, which is to add this class, okay, and use it in our CSS file. But guys, one thing more is, as you can see that these a little bit mistake can create a biggest error. It will never take any image if I use this camera view. Here is one mistake, because I have used only small cap, that's why it was an error. But now I'm using a capital caps, and now it's correct. Now guys, let's jump on our CSS file, and here I have add this taken class list. As you can see that its height is 200 pixel and not important, width is also 200 pixel and not important, and I have also add this transition with 0.5 seconds. Okay, and border will be none, box shadow will be 10 pixel, 5 pixel, 10 pixel. Okay, and this is the color, and next thing is top will be 20 pixel and left also will be 20 pixel, and Z index will be 2. Okay guys, so I think it's enough, and we have completed this tutorial, and save this file as well to see what browser tells about this file. And guys, I have opened my browser, and it's important to see what browser tells about the file which we have recently created. So for that we will have to refresh it first. Okay, and here I'm gonna allow this document to use my camera. As you can see guys, that I have this trigger snip here button here, and I have showed the output using my own camera. As soon as this button will be triggered, it will capture the image, like I'm gonna do. As you can see guys, that I have taken this image recently, and now I'm gonna show my own hands in front of the camera, and you will see the output in the picture, captured picture. And here it's one finger, okay, it's showing 1, and it's 2, it's showing 2, and it's 3, it's showing 3 fingers, okay, and it's 4, it's showing only 4 fingers, as you can see on the screen. Okay guys, today's video has been finished, and I hope you guys have enjoyed a lot, and I'm also requesting you, if you have any question for me or regarding this video or anything else in your mind, you may ask, and inshallah I'll respond you and be on YouTube with your questions answered. And thanks for watching.